Hello, my kiddos today. How we doing? I have been getting a bunch of questions about assignment 1.10, so we're going to go over it a little bit here. First off, most important, do not write me an essay. If you write me an essay, I might pass it, but it's not going to be a good score because that's not what it's asking about. Now, some of you might be saying, Mr. J, what is an outline? Well, an outline, as it says right here, a paper outline is a skeletal version of your paper. Think about it as the skeleton that your body is. Your skeleton supports the internal organs, your skin, and everything else. I need an outline, something you could build an essay on, but not exactly an essay. Let's take a look. An outline should look something like this. Roman numeral 1, your introductory thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, your introductory thought is given to you. It is the question you're trying to answer. In this case, did John F. Kennedy or Nikita Khrushchev deserve the Nobel Prize after the Cuban Missile Crisis? So, introductory thought. Did John F. Kennedy deserve the Nobel Prize after the Cuban Missile Crisis? And then give me an answer. Your A, introductory thought. Yes, John F. Kennedy deserved the Nobel Peace Prize. No, Nikita Khrushchev did not deserve the Nobel Peace Prize. That is all for Roman numeral 1 and letter A. Your body paragraph. This is where you're telling me what your idea is. Main point. John F. Kennedy deserved the Nobel Peace Prize. And then letter A. John F. Kennedy's leadership prevented the world from going to nuclear war. Okay. Letter 1 underneath it. John F. Kennedy was Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. He commanded the military not to launch nuclear weapons. Letter B, John F. Kennedy, as President of the United States, negotiated the peace between the Soviet Union and the United States. Okay, that's basically all for Roman numeral 2, folks. Roman numeral 3 is your wrap-up. It's your conclusion. Roman numeral 3, I feel John F. Kennedy deserved the Nobel Peace Prize. And then you basically restate the examples you did in Roman numeral 2. So Roman numeral 1, your introductory thoughts, your thesis. Did John F. Kennedy deserve the Nobel Peace Prize after the Cuban Missile Crisis? Your letter A, yes he did, no he didn't. Roman numeral 2, tell me what you're going to say. Roman numeral 2, as President of the United States, John F. Kennedy deserved the Nobel Peace Prize because he prevented nuclear war. Subletter A, capital letter A, main point. John F. Kennedy was Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. One underneath that, an example, he prevented the armed forces from going to war. Capital letter B, as President of the United States, John F. Kennedy was the chief diplomat. Number 1, he negotiated with the Soviet Union to prevent war. Letter C, his actions got the Soviet Union to remove missiles from Cuba. Okay? And then Roman numeral 3, I have stated that John F. Kennedy deserves a Nobel Peace Prize. Now here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Do not give me exactly what I just told you. Get your own ideas. Then the second one, give me 2 outlines on this assignment, ladies and gentlemen. Did Nikita Khrushchev deserve the Nobel Peace Prize? Then your introductory letter A. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Main paragraph 2, Roman numeral 2. Did Nikita Khrushchev? I said that Nikita Khrushchev did not deserve the Nobel Peace Prize. Main point, he was leader of the communist government that first started putting the missiles into Cuba. Example 1, his efforts could have caused a nuclear strike on the United States. And then subparagraph 3, I felt Nikita Khrushchev did not deserve the Nobel Peace Prize, and you're just restating away. Ladies and gentlemen, outlines are not that hard. If you don't like the grade you got, then redo it. Another thing, your Turnitin score. There should not be a Turnitin score of over 15% on this because nothing should be copy and pasted from another source. To you out there, copy and pasted directly from Wikipedia and left in the hyperlinks. If you're going to insult my intelligence, folks, do a better job. I'm sorry that's making me mad because we did discuss that last semester. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I know this is late. This is what I want for assignment 1.10, outlining the past. Any questions, email me and I will get them to you.